run the calibration.
Yeah, run the calibration. How do you feel, Ryan? Bro!
That's insane.
Hey, bro, you're ready for Formula Drift, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a fun day because we're gonna be installing Ryan's bags on his Honda Civic. Typically, we would always have it here at my house, but since there's so many amazing things here in the garage, we are going to Vicky's house to go do the install in her backyard. So right now I'm just grabbing, you know, the tools. I'm gonna try to take the floor jack in the cars. We got some jack stands, and then I have a little bag of tools that I'm gonna have to take as well with some charges and stuff, but I just gotta find it since there is so much stuff in the garage. You know, hopefully to be done with this install with some time to spare, because we also want to drop Vicky's fronts, and as well as some other members just have like some electrical wiring stuff that they want to get fixed. So join us here today and hope you guys have as much fun as we do. Alrighty, so it got a little warm, so I took off my sweater, but we got all this, hopefully all the tools loaded up into my car. We got the floor jack loaded up onto Vicky's car, which I'm surprised it's still at the height that it is, because that thing is heavy. But now we're about to go on our way to Vicky's house and go get started with this install. So we made it over here to Vicky's house. We got Ryan working on his car. Wow. Must be nice to be on air. Alrighty, so we just got done with the jacks. Yeah, we're on the jacks. All the wheels are off. Ryan, you excited?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Gotta get these things on.
damn. I'm gonna take a little peek at the interior. Ooh. Ooh, when you're getting a quick release, sir. Get a quick release.
I don't know.
You don't.
That's a good question.
You don't need any of these. The volume settings now, you don't need it. Oh, peep the glitter though. First step for sure is to disconnect the battery so that way we don't blow an airbag in our face. And then we should be good. Alright, another little update. We gained Jimmy and Juan for support.
I'm here to watch.
This guy. Just finished taking out one of the rears. Jimmy and Ryan are focused on taking out the other rear. We got Juan, you know, just being lazy. No, not even doing any work. He's just tearing up the interior. Like it's nobody business. Hey yo, what's this?
Yo, this is the main harness. You know, thank God for Airlift. You know, everything's plug and play.
So thankfully, NvUS Customs, we've done Jimmy's bags, we've done my bags, we've done Vicky's bags, we've done Juan's bags. We did a little bit of Tony's fixing bags. Juan did Cheyenne's bags. It looks like we're up to a pretty good start. What's it? Jimmy, we know you're going to the gym now, bro. You don't gotta flex on us, all right?
He knows that he holds it. He's like, which way's the restroom? Yeah, he's like, restroom's that way.
That way.
Or you're actually tapping into tools.
Well, you want to give it back?
I'm already done. I just need flathead.
You a flathead? Nah, bro. Use your muscles. Your muscles. Nah, Jimmy, use your muscles, dog. God damn.
What are you doing, man?
Getting this on video so that way people know that we're not just out here doing all the work. Ryan's also down here getting dirty.
Down again.
We got the team canopy up. This canopy looks really, really nice. Huge shout out to Top Ups for getting this to us. Cause my gosh, it looks so good. We got the rears out on both. Currently processing, taking out the fronts. Juan's, you know, as always, not being useful whatsoever. He's just over here playing with wires.
Trying to get shocked on purpose. Yeah, so now we gotta run this also with the front alongside this, and then we're also gonna be running the airlines for the front bags from through here.
Little update progress. Boys are getting out the front struts. What the f?
That's too. You gotta hold that up.
Oh.
Hold his axle.
I was like, bro, what the f? You need this shit for? Little update. They took out the cowling. The cowling, that's how you say it, the cowling. Because you gotta take out the cowling in order to get to the upper strut nuts. And it's a
music.
With the music.
Right
Hey, hey, hey. What the f? Yo, that shit broken. You broke it.
No, he did it. Hey, come here, Ted.
It's not broken at all.
It's alright.
Alrighty, I'm over here in the back trying to drill this thing bigger because I didn't know about these cars, or at least Juan reminded me when we did his install. We gotta drill out that hole bigger in order to fit this little thing in there.
Yeah, because that's where the bag is gonna twist in place and keep it in place until you put everything back on.
But like, if I make it too big, is that bad? Like,
yeah, because then the actual grommet won't be able to expand properly, and then it's gonna be a waste of grommet, and then we're back and we're shit out of luck because then we gotta find one of these grommets specifically with the right thread for the bag. So no pressure, bro.
wow, dude, no way. Making some progress, you know. And we'll catch you guys up on another update.
It's all about the adventure.
Yes. Look who came, it's Eddie! So back when we left off, we got that grommet in there. Man, I swear.
You did a better job on this than you did on mine.
Really?
Nope.
Oh, screw you. It was like an equal amount of good, but I'm not gonna lie. Like on this one right here, sat really flush with the drill bit.
Yo, that was perfect. Yeah.
Like I'm just like panning it on my. Oh no, this side does also sit flush too. Yeah. So we gotta use that little thing. If you got a Honda Civic, just know. Oh, if you have a 9th gen, I'm sorry. Just know that you're gonna need a drill, a step drill bit. I think is what it is.
The reason why is because you gotta put the grommet in there. It's because you gotta screw the bag into it so it sits in there. Once you put it in there, it'll sit in place.
Oh, okay.
Because don't forget, these are two separate components. You got the bag and you actually have the strut. So.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Damn. Some quick knowledge from the Juan master himself. So you got Eddie tightening up that grommet because I have no freaking strength to do that.
I mean, they get better through here. Through the side, through the driver's side, run it through here. Remember the good old grommet hole we used last time for my car?
Yeah.
So I ran the harness through there, and then we just got to figure out where we're gonna run the airlines. So we just got to find the penetration point inside the firewall and run the airlines back.
Nice. So and then it's pretty much 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it should be a lot here. We'll see.
They got Teddy just jamming out. How you feeling, Ryan?
Especially since he took off your fender.
Feeling pretty good. Yeah, we're almost done, bro.
Yes, sir.
And all these tools all over the place. We won't know whose tools are whose. Juan, you don't mind sharing, right?
What?
You don't mind sharing tools, right? Oh, yeah?
No. My tools are shared for the military.
Alright, coming back at you. Vicky finally decided to come out and hang out.
Other stuff.
We just lost Jimmy. R.I.P. Jimmy. We're on airlines now, so we got both rear struts in the car. The guys are finalizing the front struts, making sure that they're all nice and tight. I'm in charge of running the lines right now. I just clipped one part of it and we're running it here through. Oh, can you even see? Okay, well we're running the airlines through there and that grommet, which I think is the main harness. I'm not too sure. I'm not a mechanic. So yeah, we're running the lines through there. Right now we just only got the front left strut and inside. And that grommet has a lot of space to play, so that's where I'm feeding the lines from for at least the front two.
With the harness, here's your turn on wire. Tap it into something that's gonna turn on when you turn the key on. The way it turns off, because this was gonna turn on the entire system.
There you go.
Now we got the good old remote, which is control everything. So,
man, Airlift, man. Huge shout out to Airlift.
Thank you for making this such an easy plug and play.
As a reminder too, this video is never intended to be educational in terms of like how do you install bags or anything like that. It's just more of us going through the day of having fun in the process, and whatever funny stuff happens throughout the install, hopefully catch it on film. NvUS Customs for you.
Yep.
With a sharp dog and everything. Nala!
The mascot.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
She's like side profile.
Get my good side. Nala!
No,
Yeah!
Hey.
you're getting happy. Stop blushing.
Alright, so all it is now is just fitting the compressor, the tank, the lines for the air, which is 3 more lines to go, and then checking for leaks, and then we're all done. Wow,
and
that's
off to
crazy.
the next project, because we gotta do this car and then one more car.
I was like, nah, not mine. Don't touch mine. Mine just needs paint.
Vicky's car.
Yeah, I think he wanted to do some stuff with
Figure out why his headlights
his
turn
double
on.
din.
Yeah, as soon as I plug my radio in, my lights stay on, even if the car is off.
Yeah, it sounds like an electrical problem, which is why Juan is the team electrical engineer,
I'm waiting on my
mechanical
title.
engineer.
I want the title on my window.
Alright, so we got an update here. So all 4 struts are in the car. We have airlines to both fronts and an airline to the driver's side rear. And then we got hip. It's getting nice and cold now. God damn. What's up, hip? Jesus. Hip is redoing his trunk over here at the house. And we're almost done with Ryan's bags, and then Hip is doing his stuff, and then we still gotta lower the fronts of this car, hopefully, if we got the time to do it. So when it airs out, it's more fender to lip. And yeah, we're about to go grab the food because it's been on order, and hopefully figure this rear bag situation out before it gets dark.
There we go to the bathroom, bro. There are camera breaks.
Everyone's seeing how we're eating some pizza. Pizza.
I don't need pizza. I'm fat already.
To motivate you to burn it off right now.
It's okay, you're making up for not eating breakfast.
Alrighty, so as you can see, it's a lot more later in the day. You know, with Modelo's and pizza. Got a little bit carried away, but other than that, the install is practically done. We're just putting together the wheels. After this, we're gonna go on a test drive and just make sure there's no other funky things going on. What happened?
Test drive with no seat in it?
Yeah, no, you don't need no seat, right? we'll put the little stump que está aquí del otro lado. Maybe his seat. Bucket seat. The trunk setup isn't the prettiest thing, but it's something for right now. How do you feel, Ryan? How do you feel?
The words can't explain it. Shit.
We're about to see this thing on the floor here in a little bit.
I know.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready to be lower than you were before? You got Hip. We're about to drill his hole for his trunk setup and make it look nice and good with the wood.
On both sides.
Yeah.
You hit something?
Yeah.
Air it out manually. Let's see how it is.
That's right height.
Oh! Yeah. Bro,
You're aired out in the front.
that's aired out 0.
In the front.
Okay.
25, you're at back, you're in the
Bro. Oh!
This is aired out, bro. Look.
Damn! Hey, I'm surprised on the fronts. I'm not even gonna lie.
I f***ing love that. I love
Yeah.
that rear tucks real good.
That rear does tug real good. Hell yeah.
For the whole time we thought it was rub.
Now we can run the calibration. Actually,
Yeah, run the calibration. How you feel, Ryan? Bro,
Mention the camera arms.
That's insane.
dude, this shit looks so good. Hey, bro, you're ready for Formula Drift, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm ready.
God. Ryan just came back from his test drive. Bro, how does it feel? Life on air, airlift performance. Damn, dude. We didn't even adjust anything out of the box, huh? No, we just threw it on.
Yeah, plug and play.
Damn. Jeez. That is something, dude.
Honestly, it feels crazy.
Does your car look different to you?
Oh yeah, definitely. I never thought I'd even bag my car to begin with. I always thought it was gonna be static for life. Things change, I guess, huh?
Yeah, dude. Oof. She's a dirty girl. Thank you. Alrighty, so the last clip you saw was of us finally airing out. Oh my god, that car's coming in fast. Ryan's car for the first time, which was really awesome to see. After that, We just tried to lower Vicky's fronts a little bit, which we kind of got a little bit of progress, but we're gonna tackle that another day this week, hopefully before Formula Drift. Teddy's head unit, right? Just remember to always check your orange wires, kids.
Yeah, don't ever connect the orange wire.
There you go. There you go. Don't do that.
Yeah, so you know it's 10 p.m. We started what time we start all this adventure? Pretty much like at 10 we started everything.
Yeah, pretty much. It was that pizza break that killed us. We just got too lazy. We got Ryan's car done. We got Teddy's car done. Vicky's car done, and also worked a little bit on Hip's car.
Yeah.
It was that white Honda Accord with his trunk set up.
Never seen that.
What was that? Was that a Honda Fit?
Maybe somebody got their catalytic converter stolen.
Ooh. That'll do it for us here at NvUS Customs.
Yep.
Any parting words, Juan?
No, don't do drugs. Stay safe. Stay in school.
There you go. So hope you guys have an awesome night, just as we will. And we will see you in another week, at Formula Drift. And
Streets of Long Beach. Their first time. I've always gone there, so it's like a religion to me, going to the first season opener in Long Beach and the final fight at Irwindale. So it's spectacular. So you guys should check it out.
But it will be our first time showing at the show.
The actual show.
At the actual show, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Hope to see a lot of cool cars there and a lot of people to reconnect with. But have a good night.
Next time, have a good night.
Have a good night. Stay blessed. Yeah, keep on hustling. Get that bag.